This is Ride News Now. I'm Alison Haislip. Here's the latest in all things mobility. America! Freedom! Camaros! Man, this story has everything. You are looking at the Camaro EL1, nicknamed Freedom One. It's a drift car built by Napoleon Motorsports, designed to utterly dominate the competition. And it's got Tesla motors. This American monster puts down 515 horsepower and a whopping 800 pound-feet of torque at the rear wheels. Amazingly, team owner Joe Napoleon says the EL1 hasn't even begun to tap into its power potential. Heck yeah! And man, there's nothing more American than a 515 horsepower bitchin' Camaro doing burnouts. Hold my beer and watch this. Guys, what the heck? Where's the audio? I can't hear the engine. Where's the roar of all that American freedom?
It's electric, so it doesn't make any noise.
Oh, right. Tesla motors. Neat. Pop quiz. What one Wikipedia page contains the words slavery, pizza, and Hurricane Katrina? You guessed it, Walmart, where America shops. What their wiki doesn't tell you is how invested the big box giant is in clean energy. We already told you about Walmart's partnership with Electrify America, installing car chargers at their stores. Now they're working with US Solar in Minnesota to support a unique energy program. US Solar builds community solar gardens to which homeowners and businesses like Walmart can subscribe. In addition to supporting green energy in their communities, subscribers also enjoy savings on their electricity bills. It's a smart way to go green without having to install your own solar panels. Walmart is leading by example by subscribing to 36 new solar gardens being built by US Solar. Looks like Walmart has gone from slashing prices to slashing emissions. It's rush hour. You're stuck in traffic and you are jonesing for a pizza. What are you gonna do? Well, if you're driving a 2019 or 2020 model year Chrysler, Dodge, Ram, or Jeep, you'll soon be able to order up a piping hot za from your dashboard. That's right, Chrysler will be pushing a new feature called Uconnect Market through an over-the-air update to all of its brands. Uconnect Market will enable owners to order a Domino's pizza from their vehicle's 8.4-inch in-dash touchscreen. In addition to having pizza ordering capabilities at their fingertips, drivers will be able to prepay for gas at participating Shell stations, secure parking with ParkWiz, or if they want something a bit healthier than pizza, book a table at a nearby restaurant through Yelp. The only downside I see to Uconnect Market's Domino's app is that it won't allow drivers to pull a Spicoli and have their double cheese and sausage za delivered straight to their car. At least, not yet. All this pizza talk has got me starved. You guys up for some za?
Stop saying za!
Oh, za. For more tech news, join us over at Ride.Tech and be sure to follow RideTechNews on your social platform of choice. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Also, head to Ride.Tech for stories, reviews, and more news.